Previously on ApprenticeEh.
Welcome to medieval times!
Red and yellow line!
Sir Guy!
Good morning. I decided to go for a hike with my sister. We are at, where are we? Rockaway Glen. We have discovered, we just climbed down a hill, that hill, and we're gonna, I guess, try to get down there. There's a road over there, and there's sometimes a waterfall that you can't see from the road, but you can hear it. There's people down there. This has to be able to, this should be doable. We did the thing. We're at the bottom of the hill now. There's the hill. We'll have to climb back up. That's gonna be fun. But we'll make it work. Look, water. So there is a creek, which is very little right now. We have found the ricketiest looking of bridges. I think it's 2 bridges leaning on this rock. Is it safe? I hope so. That's good. Good jobs. Look how beautiful it is. Trickling water. Climbing over trees. These are alphabunkies. I don't know what they're called in English, but they translate, in Dutch they translate to fairy chairs. Fairy couches. Look, waterfall. And another one. Cataratas. Cataratas? Oh. Oh. Okay. It's nice. Haha! This is the great part about the fall. You can get nice and close to things. There's no water. So the road is literally just up there. It's just rolling because I don't have a 10-second thing. What's your supposed to do, camera? Rolling? Yeah. You can do all kinds of poses. We just climbed up that. It doesn't look like much, but it's quite the hill. You can see the trees down there. And we're just resting for a hot second. We were down there. There's a little wooden bridge. Whoa! Skies are changing. Okay, so it's kind of hard to tell, but that moon is freaking gigantic. Apparently we are the closest we've been to the moon in quite some time. So today and the next couple of days is going to be huge. So look at it.
Home is where the bar is.